Hey there, rum lovers and cocktail aficionados. Keep watching. So I'm going to make a rum sour. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a rum sour. I love sour cocktails. They're probably the category that is the biggest selling in all of my venues. And the first ingredient I'm going to use is obviously rum. I'm going to give the Havana Club Añejo 7-year-old a go in this cocktail and we'll see how it tastes, okay? So we are looking for 50 mils, which is 1 2/3 ounces. Next ingredient that it calls for is 25 mils, nearly 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Now I've never really done orange juice in a sour. I have read this recipe on Difford's Guide, so they know what they're talking about. Can't wait to try it. Then 25 mils, once again, of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then 12.5 mils of sugar syrup. And last but not least, 15 mils of egg white or Aqua Faba. I use Aqua Faba, it's the vegan alternative. It's a lot more stable. I just prefer using it in my venues. Add some ice. And give it a really good shake. Now you can dry shake, reverse dry shake. As most of my viewers know, I am kind of lazy. When I make it for a customer, it's totally different, but I'm gonna drink this one. So we're serving this up over ice in a rocks glass. Beautiful. And for my garnish, I'm going to do an orange twist. I think orange works really well with rum. Let's give this rum sour a try. Cheers. Yum. I've definitely shaken it enough. It's got that really nice sort of head on top of the cocktail. That rum's coming through really nicely. The citrus, it balances out. I like using the orange juice in it actually, just as another element, another dimension of flavor. The only thing about this cocktail is you cannot tell that it's got nearly 2 ounces or 50 mils of rum in there. So be very careful. You could have 3 or 4 of these quickly and you'll probably be on your ass before you know it. So great drink. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks. Cheers.